Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to my channel BBTechHub. So today, the video I'm sharing with you is a little bit different from the networking. What happens sometimes when we use the system, we should know some basic information about my system. So who are the beginners? For them, it will be very useful. I will show you some commands through which you will get some basic information about your computer. So one by one, I will show you. Just follow it. The first of all, the basic foremost thing is that whenever we are using a computer, the computer has a name that we call as a host name. Do you know how to see the name of a computer? You see what command we are using. Now see. Have you seen? The command is host name and it is showing that my computer name is PC. Clear everyone? So whenever you want to see the name of your computer, you just use this command that is called the host name. Second, I want to see which version is running in my computer. Okay, just simply you write var. And you see over here, what is the version over here? Microsoft Windows version 10.0, is it? So in this machine, Windows 10 is installed. Now, another command I am showing you, winvar. What it is showing, you can see the version along with the OS build. Okay, it's very much clear. You see, this is Windows 10. Understood? So these are the actually very handy commands we should know. So you have seen host name, var, winvar. No, the good question. Whenever we are using a system, we log into the system. Okay. So now it is very difficult for some persons to identify with which user account I have logged in. So just you write it like that. Who am I? Who am I? I am the administrator of which computer? That is PC1. Through this command, we get to information. We get the host name of the system and we get through which user account I have logged in. Okay. Now come to the next command. Do you want to know the system details? आप आपके कंप्यूटर के बारे में पूरा जानना चाहते हैं? So you see how I can know. Windows R msinfo32. Which command? msinfo32. Have you seen? All details we will get. What is the OS name? This is Microsoft Windows 10 Pro Professional. What is the version? Who is the OS manufacturer? What is the name of the system? You can see which type of processor this system is having. That is, this is nothing but i5 7th generation. The speed of the processor is 3 gigahertz. The FSB of the system is 3 megahertz. Is it, everyone? You can very clearly, it is mentioned over there. You can see everything is there. Now come to the next command. See. Now see one thing. It's like very interesting. When I'm using the command prompt, this is called command prompt. You see there is a background color that is black and the text color is white. I want to make it colorful. I want the help. How? So I will type color. I'm typing color. I'm giving this number 1. Hello, how attractive it is. I'm giving 2. You see the green color, I'm giving the 3. Just I'm giving 3. Which color? Aqua. Is it clear? Are you getting? I am writing this is E. E. Wow. Okay. So if you want to change the color of your this command prompt, you can use this command. Next, now you see I have run so many commands. My screen is very much hazy. I want to clear it. Simple CLS. Simple, I'm typing CLS. Clear the screen. So you see my screen is totally clear. Now come to the another command. Do you want to see how many operating systems are installed in this computer? Hello, do you want to see? So you see, I'm running a command. msconfig. For your kind of information, we can install more than one operating system in a computer. So if you want to see how many operating systems are installed, we can simply type msconfig, go to the boot, and you see which one is the current OS and default OS. Current OS means we are having running which OS is running, and that is a single operating system is installed. Okay, and that is nothing but a Windows 10 operating system. Clear, everyone? So don't forget this command msconfig. Now I am going for the another command. Do you want to see what are the processes are going on in my system? Do you want to see? I'm showing you by using a command that is called the task list. Okay, so come to this system. Hello everyone. I will type task list. Hello, you see so many tasks are going on right now. Currently, you see these many tasks are going on. Okay, so which command? Which command? The command is the task list. Okay, now I'll go for the next command. Let's see which command is in queue right now. Yeah. Do you know in a computer, several services running. On the back end, several services are running. Those services actually responsible for proper running of the system. Do you want to see? So you see, just you type services.msc. Hello. Now you see the back end, you can see. You see, all the services are here. Do you want to see? I'm showing you one service. That is Windows. Wait. This is Windows update. You see, this service is right now setting is over is the manual. I want it should be automatic. So I have made it automatic and you just start the service. Okay. Apply. Okay. Hello. You see what it is indicating? Windows update service is running. Do you want to stop this service? Just simple press the button stop. The service will be stopped. So in a Windows system, if you want to see the services, so you need to type the command that is services.msc. Let's move to the another command. You know, in a computer, several devices are there. Do you know, na? There are several devices. That is my hard disk, monitor, keyboard, mouse. I want to see the status. Just simple type over here. What? devmgmt.msc. Okay? Okay. See. Can you see all the devices are there? You see all the drivers are there. Hello. Now see, here you can see the driver status. You can update the driver, you can disable the driver, you can uninstall the device, everything. Is it clear? Hello. So if you want to check the system component status, then you can go for the device manager. Another very important command. In our computer, hard disk is used for the storer. So it is actually a storage device. Do you want to see the details of the hard disk? So you see, I will type diskmgmt.msc. Which command? Diskmgmt.msc. See, there is only one hard disk is connected with my system, and this is nothing but 80 GB. This is online, that is, it is running nicely. This is a basic disk. It is not a dynamic disk. You can see this is the C drive. So if you want to see the status of your hard disk, how many partition, what is the storage capability, what is the drive specification, everything you can see through this command. Okay, hello. Now I'm moving towards the next command. What? Do you want to change your computer name? Don't worry. Just directly you go like that. Windows R spdm.cpl. Hello, you can see all the system details. What is the hardware? You can go for advanced settings. You can give for the system protection. You can take the system in remote. You can make the settings over here. Okay. So you can go over here, change, and here you can change the computer. The current name of my computer is PC1. I can change. So what will happen? The host name of the computer will be changed. What is the command? System.cpl. Next command, that is firewall.cpl. You know, na, the firewall gives the protection of my system. So if you want to check the status of the firewall, so go for Windows R and then I'm typing firewall.cpl. You see how handy these commands are, my dear. Sorry, this is the mistake, typing mistake. That is firewall.cpl. See, this is the status of firewall. Green color indicating firewall is on. If I make it turn off, the color will become red. See? Yes, my system is not safe right now. So dear, please never turn off the firewall. You turn on the firewall and do the necessary settings to run the system. Okay, safely. Next command. Next command, I want my system network settings to change. So what to do? क्या करना है हमको? ncpa.cpl आपके कंप्यूटर का नेटवर्क को मैनेज करना है. तो मैंने प्रीवियस वीडियो में भी आपको दिखाया, आप यहाँ से चेंज कर सकते हैं. ये सुनो, देखिए आप यहाँ पे जाके सब कुछ चेंज कर सकते हैं. मेरे सिस्टम में अभी क्या है? स्टैटिक आईपी है. सो व्हाट इज द कमांड हम लोग यूज कर सकते हैं? ncpa.cpl. ओके, सो दिस ऑल आर द वेरी हैंडी कमांड. नाउ आपको अगर लगता है आपके सिस्टम में आप चाहते एक मशीन को आप रिमोट में लेना चाहते, देखिए, यू वांट टू कनेक्ट द सिस्टम रिमोटली. सो करना क्या है आपको? विंडोज आर, यू हैव टू टाइप msc. क्या आ गया? रिमोट डेस्कटॉप कनेक्शन. अब जस्ट यहाँ पे रिमोट कंप्यूटर का आईपी पुट कीजिए, कनेक्ट कीजिए, यू विल गेट कनेक्टेड विद द रिमोट सिस्टम. इसका क्या फायदा होगा? आप यहाँ से बैठ के एक रिमोट सिस्टम को आप एक्सेस कर सकते हो, मैनेज कर सकते हो, ट्रबल शूट कर सकते हो. इज इट क्लियर? सो व्हाट इज द कमांड you will use for the remote management? That is nothing but msc. Okay, now अभी आप देखिए, you want what you are asking for. आपको कंट्रोल पैनल नहीं मिल रहा डेस्कटॉप में, आप क्या कीजिएगा? What you will do? आप जाइए यहाँ पे, देखिए स्क्रीन कितना हेजी है. सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल रन cls. मैं यहाँ पे टाइप करूंगी कंट्रोल पैनल. क्या हुआ? You see control panel is open. Yes. So which command I have used? That is control panel. If you type the control panel, it will open. आपको graphically ढूंढना भी नहीं पड़ेगा. Fine. Now, come to another command. आपको PowerShell open करना है. So don't be worried. Just अब type कीजिए यहाँ पे PowerShell. देखिए आप. Wait, it will come. See, PS. You see here PS and here no PS. That is, it is the pure command prompt and this is PowerShell prompt. Okay. So which command we have typed? We have typed the PowerShell. Now, चलिए next command पे जाते. Now, do you want to see the status of your hard disk? Simple. आपके hard disk में कोई दिक्कत है? Do you want to check? Just you type CHKDSK. क्या टाइप करेंगे? CHKDSK. Check disk. Okay. Now see, it will start. What it is showing? File system. It is checking the hard disk. So everyone. So I think it is clear for you. Right now onwards, you can run all these 20 commands. Okay, everyone. I hope you people have learned these commands easily and you can, next time you can run these commands. Okay, so thank you. आज के लिए इतना ही.